144.3. So, how to get loud with a sealed prefab. You port that bitch. Alright, let's see what it does. So what we did was just cut a hole inside the prefab. They're about the same dimensions as this 4-inch. Slap her on there. Alright, skip on one, back at it. Sealed ported. Let's try it out. .5, so it's a almost 5 dB gain, 5200 watts. Shout out. Now I'm gonna go to 6-inch port. 6-inch port. I'm gonna cut out the hole a little bit bigger, slap that on there, and let her eat again. So let's see what it does. All right. We're back at it. Got the $39.99 shipped, eBay sealed box. I don't know if this is its final form or not, but now it has a 6-inch port cut into it. Still the Sundown U12. Mic in the kick. Outlaw, car off. SD 8K JY80. That's about it. And I'm just gonna send it. I don't know if this is the peak. I might play around with it, but not much because I'm at home and people don't like loud burps. So we're just gonna try it out and see what it does. Yeah, it moved. That's stupid. Alright, 52.7, 58 hertz. I might try a different note, but hope it doesn't move again. I feel like if it doesn't move, it'll get a little louder, but it's kind of like right on the. I might put a. I'm just gonna send it. It's funny. Alright, let's try this. So I guess in summary, it's not money badly spent. Did I say that right? Money well spent. $39 shipped for a sealed box. Couple of custom works to add the ports, and you got a burp box, bro. 1.25 cube. I don't know what it went to when I added the sub, that big sub, but that's just what we do, bro. 52.7, 145 sealed, 150 with a 4-inch port, which ain't bad either. That would be pretty loud, you know. And then 152.7 probably could have been louder if I took my time and, like somebody mentioned, mounted the port inside, but I ain't got time to load that crap. But 152.7 with a 6-inch port. So I mean, that ain't bad for just, I mean, the port, you know, doesn't come with the box, but you know, for 3/4 MDF, single baffle all the way around, it ain't bad, dude. It looks nice too. So hit them up. Shout out eBay. I don't know who I bought it from, but $39.99 shipped. Fuck out of here.